Today I'll show you how to make these chocolate crinkle cookies. If you like brownies, you're gonna love them. In a bowl, add the cocoa powder, the sugar, and the oil. Mix together. Add 1 egg. Mix well. Add the second egg and mix again. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix once more. In another bowl, sift the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Add the sifted mixture to the wet mixture and mix with the help of a spatula. It is very important not to overmix. Once ready, cover and leave to rest in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Shape them. Using an ice cream spoon, take a portion of the dough. With your hands, give it a round shape. And coat the cookie in icing sugar. Repeat until the dough is finished. You will get around 12 large cookies. Bake them for 12 minutes. During this time, the cookie will melt towards the sides and rise upwards. Once ready, remove them from the oven. And if you like this recipe, don't miss those two.